However, mold, that's a whole different animal. And
Mhm.
hey, you know what we're going to be talking about today? Something that most people don't consider, and they probably don't have coverage in the policy. Chris, what are we talking about today? And welcome, my friend.
Thank you. Glad to be here. Love talking about this stuff. Obviously, we want to educate as much as we can. So
Yeah.
we're talking about two important tests that happens usually between a fire claim and a water claim. And that's
Okay.
going to be an asbestos testing and then also a mold testing.
Right.
And if that's present, there could be some more costs incurred with it because it get pretty expensive.
That might
So
not be covered depending on your policy, right? Most
yeah.
insurance policies will cover asbestos from my experience and what I've seen. However, mold, that's a whole different animal, and you
Hmm.
really got to fight for that. And the other thing too is mold is usually limited. So insurance companies will say, "Hey, yeah, we'll pay for mold," but sometimes they'll limit it to $5,000 or $10,000. And
Hmm.
sometimes, like I went into a property, this was many, many years ago, and the whole basement was full. Like I bet if there was 600 square feet of wall, 20 of the square feet weren't covered in mold. Like it was
Wow.
insane. It was just like, holy crap. Like I was like, I got to get out of here. I might die because it's so bad, right? And I'm going to
Wow.
tell you, that's going to cost more than $5,000. It's probably going to cost more than $10,000. So you want to be
Mhm.
very cognizant of the type of loss you have and the consequential damage that could occur because of that
Mhm.
loss. But most importantly, read your policy and see what's in your policy because you may or may not be covered.